Howdy guys, quick reminder before this video starts, check out Vbeltandson.com. We had a couple technical difficulties with Corona and all that stuff, but all the orders that had been ordered are being shipped out Monday. It is Sunday right now, but we are headed to the shop. Check out Vbeltandson.com, purchase your hats, t-shirts, stickers, all of the above. Until then, enjoy the video. Howdy guys, me and the puppies are down in the shop. Just got off work, and what I want to do today is put that engine inside that old truck. The frame, completely rust free. It's got a little bit of grime and stuff on it. I'm going to clean that up a little bit, cut the exhaust. We're going to stab the engine in it, put the transmission in so that I can size it up where it needs to be cut, so I can cut the hole out for the stick shift. But first thing I gotta do is make a rear hanger to lift this bad boy, because I have the front hook, but back here, since it's a P-pump 24 valve, stuff isn't quite the same. So I got this idea. Bolts came out of the plate that the old boy had for blocking off the power steering. Well, they thread right in there just perfect, if my left hand will allow it. You guys get the picture. They thread in there, don't worry about it. Left hand's not gonna make it happen. I need to hook, I think I'm going to take a piece of flat bar, weld to it with an eyelet on the end, because I have a custom little engine mount or hoist for the Cummins stuff. And normally you just take that bolt and fish hook it on that back lip or that back eyelet. So I'm going to make something like that, run the chain for the front. So let's get started, get this thing installed, and I'm going to go pick up the brand new flatbed on Saturday. So comment below what you guys' guesses are on what brand I went with, because I am very excited about the flatbed. Let's get to work. Well, she ain't perfect, but she'll do. Just hold. Boom! Look who just showed up. It's me from the next day. I couldn't find an engine mount that was right in front of my face on the bench, so didn't get what I wanted done last night, but we got a bunch of all the parts to go on the truck. I'm gonna have to take it off my little rollers because, well, they're gonna bend as soon as I put the engine on it. It's good for packing around a truck that doesn't have any kind of an engine or transmission or doors or any of that. These little cheap Harbor Freight rollers down there, they actually do the job until they get in a weird spot, then they'll bend. We are sized up and ready to put the engine in here. I'm gonna roll it forward, go get the tractor, pick the engine up, set it out here, use the engine stand or hoist. Zip tie. Hard to move by myself. Good news, I found my tape measure, and my forklift didn't get stuck trying to get on the curb into the shop. And dear Heavenly Father, hope this goes well. Get it over to the engine hoist. See if this whole son of a gun get her out. We are working with space here. All you guys complaining about this mess, All this is a dismantled truck that I'm trying to put back together, so bear with me. We'll get her taken care of. I made this thing for when I did a 5-speed swap, an engine swap on my 96, and I've done probably like 6 or 7 engines with that. Someone lined up. I'm going to take those little rollers out so I don't have to lift it so high. I can roll it straight forward to get in front of the cooler. I want to do the whole rest of this rig. Hoping to get the engine in there. I'm not going to fire it up until I obviously get the trans and everything situated and all that shebang. I still have to put the fast lift pump on there. And I got the wrong fitting. This little guy right here, I accidentally ordered one for a CP3 instead of a P pump. They were right next to each other online. Screwed me up.
He's like, I saw that motor because YouTube get this off Craigslist or
Yeah.
something. He's like, I saw that motor. He's like, I wanted it for mine because he's going to put it in his turquoise truck he has.
Oh, it's that cat, yeah.
He's like, then I heard you said something about $2,000. I'm like, yeah, I think he's going to listen to the second one.
Dude, hopefully it freaking works out. My my home engineered engine rig back here took a little bit of heat, but lifted, hell. My expensive ass engine didn't fall into the ground, so
It's always a plus.
it used to be as straight as me, but it's as straight as you now.
We're on the crooked side.
It was because that pipe was too long, because I made it to fit where the thing used to be. But that's why I put that strap on it for a little extra safety. But the engine is in. You want to see the pile of parts I bought? I think everything.
I saw you driving down the road and like past me. I was like, what does he have?
I saw you coming. I was like, this is a cat looking truck. And then you're all, hey! I was like, hey, it's Austin. Oh. Hop in there and coast that thing back down in here a little bit. Really good. That's that 5500 lifestyle right there, bud. 5,500. There we go. All right, that's good. Now everybody can see in the light. Let's start opening some stuff. Obviously, okay, so obviously this one right here has the alternator in it. Ain't worried about that. Summit Strategy, 2-day ship on that. Got a new belt for it. Oh, this morning when I left, the belt threw on my 04.
Oh, well, perfect time.
Yeah, so I came back, grabbed this truck. Open that first box for me.
This one?
No, the little guy.
This guy?
List it off if you know what it's called.
Christmas around here.
Christmas. What part is this here?
There.
Yeah, there's my new clutch. See, the stock clutch.
It's the small size. It's for the.
No, it's not. It's a big one.
Yeah. Well, it's the,
Oh.
It's a smaller.
Well, I got this one because it's got marks on it so that you can pick up the engine RPM on your clutch versus a 24 valve, which is different. You got your gun though, shoot it.
Yeah, I'm gonna shoot it.
Fence.
Oh, piece of tape. Oh, no, we got a bunch of popcorn in here.
Oh, popcorn for it? What the hell is it?
Oh.
Oh.
There's.
What is that part? These instructions are wrong. It says clutch max. I think that's not accurate. It's blued already. That right there, throw out bearing. Left over from my 04. Oh, we got some lug nuts. I couldn't find the lug nuts for it.
Got the cap. For the lug nuts.
Oh, there's a hubcap.
There's a hubcap.
Oh my goodness. Is this? I hope this thing's blue. It's supposed to be blue or white. It's white. White.
Why'd you want it a color? You can't see the thing.
Because I didn't want false advertisement. Because I saw a color on there. That's when somebody asked me what color is your inner hubcap. I say white.
Yeah, you better watch out.
Bad boy is good for the standard 450 horsepower minimum coming out of a P-pump 24 valve. Just kidding. That thing's probably making like 16. It looks like a drag car because I still got those carts underneath the back.
It's well over 1,000.
Dude, she's back down to squatting weight. I took the little carts out so I didn't kill it. Yeah, she's good. Did it have the little lug nut bolts? Oh, she looks very aggressive. Holy crap. All right. It's the little bolts. Oh, there's another box. What the hell is that? Oh, it's a fly. Yeah.
I'm like, I think you need a flywheel here.
I forgot this one came with it.
Oh, the heavy bitch. Oops.
Just don't knock any popcorns on the ground. I'll have to get a shop bag out, man. Jump starting a lawnmower and holding peanuts. Didn't have a good photo of it, but I'm hoping that this is the clutch that doesn't require the little extra thing I need, the spacer for the starter. Damn. It needs a spacer.
Spacer, doesn't it?
Yeah. Son of a bitch. Well, that's another like 70 bucks for the spacer and the longer bolts. I could steal the one off Tyler's truck. You know, it's pretty funny. I've been using your card.
No wonder I'm broke.
Yeah. If anybody's wondering why Austin hasn't got a new truck yet,
It's because Samson's putting it together.
a bowl butter. It's because nobody's calling him back.
Yeah.
Hey, I got money. I want to come for a truck.
I'm not going to pay gold price
Yeah.
for the truck.
I decided how I'm going to play it is when it comes time for the 08 to be parked. Not really parked, but I mean, California crap. I would like to have enough money saved up that I can just go buy the new truck. That's my goal. Sounds pretty good. I think that'll be all right, wouldn't it? All right, let's open the rest of this crap up. We know what that one is. We got to order more crap now, and I still got to order the clutch fork. So, when it comes to the whistle machine and the piping to the whistle machine, I already am extremely well. I mean, there was never really a budget set, but a lot of money has been spent here. So this,
The exhaust tip.
this is the exhaust tip. But the thing about this exhaust tip is it's stuck. It is a 3-piece TPS, but I saved a couple bucks on it because there's apparently a blemish. So Do you see the blemish? I don't see the blemish. Good to me. And then it's gonna have stock HX35 on it, and then I'm gonna try cha-ching, get a exhaust brake at some point.
Cha-ching, cha-ching.
And those 2 boxes up there are 2 more of these.
Bulletproof hitches.
2 more. 2 more. Alright, we're gonna end it here. I'm tired. If anybody didn't notice, the wheels and tires are right there also. Lawson, you've been an outstanding helper in buying all of this stuff. Just got dark at 11 o'clock.
Yeah, no joke. 9:17. And it's 9 dark yet.
Have them comment something below. What do you think? What do you think? Give
Have
me
them
something.
comment something below?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
I say comment something below, like, what do you think of whatever we did? You got nothing?
No.
Pretend there's no one here right now. Oh! Saturday, buying the flatbed. They were supposed to comment below their guesses, because I filmed some yesterday.
Oh, what the flatbed is?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's flat.
It's flat?
We'll end it there. Comment below, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell Austin thank you. See ya. Alrighty guys, I want to start doing something a little bit different towards the end of the videos rather than just sign off and say peace. I kind of want to do like a lesson of the day, kind of a little boost your confidence, give you a little bit more motivation, hopefully. But I just want to emphasize the fact of when I think of getting off work, I want to come home to knock out some projects. I do enjoy my job. You know, you knock out your 40 plus hours of, you know, your normal work schedule. I say 40 plus hours very loosely. It seems to always be more than that, at least in my work. But there's some people that will, you know, you go to work, you clock in, you clock out. When you leave work, you left everything of work behind. Your hard hat stays there, the whole mess. And for me, and I'm sure a lot of you guys, you got to go do other chores so that when you go back to work the next day, everything's there. You got all your tools, you got fuel and all that stuff. But my goal when I come home, I'm really trying to avoid just coming home and sitting on the couch. It's 100 degrees outside. The shop is miserably warm. So I come home, fire up the cooler in the shop, cools it down like 3%, come up to the house, get my snack. I watched a Cletus episode. As soon as that ended, I forced myself just to get up out of the air-conditioned house and go down and start working on the truck. And I've been trying to do that every day this week. And it feels good to finally have a win and have the engine inside the truck. So my lesson of the day is there's so much more of potential in all of us that we can go out and do more. Now, I don't know if this is going to register to some of you guys or you're just going to think I'm a whack job, but when I think of you got your 40 hours, what are you going to do with the rest of your time? Sit around and sleep? There's just the whole world thinks that they're held back, and it's crazy to think how much potential there is out there. And it's not those that, sure, a little luck's involved, but it's not necessarily you were lucky for the opportunity. You work your way to be standing there for somebody to think that you're worth their time to say, hey, I want to hire you, or you're eligible to buy this tractor and make better of yourself, hopefully. But anyway, that's my lesson of the day, is just when you come home, you can achieve just a little bit more. And it feels so much better to do something for yourself rather than just your daily grind on the work site. You know, so that's my lesson of the day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Comment below if that was something you would like to see later on. I want to do that a little bit more rather than just a standard like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one that everybody's doing. But anyway, we'll see you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Just kidding. Do what you want. I appreciate you. Later.